Good morning, happy December 18th. Sage is ready. He's always the first to appear. So we got this little, I don't know, is that a hedgehog or a penguin? Can you open this one, Sage? Good try. Appreciate the help. Let's see. What do we got today? It is split. Looks like it's gonna be like a raspberry. That's creamy. Hi, Felix. It's not for you. Here they come. Yeah, I'm not for sure if I like that chocolate. Bless you. For the chocolate house, we got window 18. Felix knows what's gonna happen next. We got a little Santa, snowman. You guys can have that, but you can't eat it. You can just smack it around. Smack it around, that's all you can do. All right, let's see what duplicate we have today for, Jack, can you get that for me right there? This one, right here, Jack. Right here. No? You're like, nope. It is the apple one again. And here's Danny. Sister Sally is at the vet today. She's good. She's just getting spayed. All right, are you guys waiting for your advent calendar that I have hidden because otherwise you would destroy it? Here we go. Your Sage is like, wait for me. Come on, get up there. All right, this one right here, Sage. Right here. This is 18. We've been practicing our numbers. This is 18. Yep, that's it. Touch it. 18 right there. Jack, you got it. All right. What we got today? I hope it's the turkey again. Didn't we have that yesterday? That's a little disappointing. I like the harder treats. Okay, scoot back. I don't want to cut you. Scoot back. That's the other thing I don't like about this advent calendar. They don't make these easy to open. I wish they were like in little baggies and not these. Okay, there you go. Oh, no. I need to pull it out forever. Such a greedy little boy. Jack, yeah, now it's everyone's turn. Here, Sage, right there. There you go, Sage, right there. I grabbed the rest of the treats and they're like, what? Okay, we're gonna divvy it out. Everyone gets their fare. Do you want some or you want to destroy it? Wait, there's a piece right there. And you got those pieces. Sage, you've been a good boy. And Honey, yeah, I got you covered, girl. There you go. Where's Felix at? He definitely deserves some. Robert, do you see Felix? He was here a minute ago. Don't you still, honeys? Felix, why'd you leave? Don't you want some treats? Felix, he's not very good at taking treats, but I know Danny hasn't had any, so here. Felix, there's a couple for you. And Danny, come here. Come here, Danny, you haven't had any. There you go, and then that thief right there can have the last one. Felix, you gotta eat it. Oh my God. He doesn't understand. Okay, he's got it. Here, Robert, come get these kittens. They're stealing Felix's food. Good job, Felix. He's doing it. All right, Jack, you're a little frisky. Okay, goodbye. Thought he was gonna help me, but he left. And he's coming back. Are you coming back, Jack? Come on. Come here. You got it. Come on. There you go. All right. Oh, okay, now you don't. Listen, there's no destroying my tree. No destroying this. Today is, I mean it. I know you're teething, but no destroying my tree. We're gonna open this one, right? Is today the 18th? Is that, I guess, is that chocolate or part? That was chocolate. All right, here we go. You're not being very helpful. Am I opening it the right way? Or is it this one? I think it's this way. Oh my God. How do I do it again? That's that one. No, it's this way. I don't know, Jack. I've forgot how. All right, it's this way. It's early. I haven't had my Dr. Pepper. I've been running around like crazy. Okay, it is the skeleton reindeer, which is adorable in its own nightmare way. There you go. Merry Christmas.